When the switch key lights, the machine eyes powered on. Press the switch key. Screen will display temperature and time. Press and hold the temp key for 3 seconds to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Press temp to set the temperature and adjust the temperature with the plus or button. Press time to set the time and adjust the time with the plus or button. The start key will feature a long green light and beeps when reaching the set temperature. The heating temperature is 390 F. It will take 480 seconds. Put in HTVRONT tumbler heat press. Press start to begin heat pressing. Let's take a look. It's perfect. The heating temperature is 390 F. It will take 240 seconds. Put in HTVRONT tumbler heat press. Press start to begin heat pressing. Spin the tumbler 180 degrees and press start again. Let's remove the paper. I love the 3D pattern every time I make it. The heating temperature is 380 F. It will take 360 seconds. Put in HTVRONT tumbler heat press. Press start to begin heat pressing. Spin the glass 180 degrees and press start again. Let's take a look. Wow, perfectly sublimated. What other questions do you have for Tumbler Press? Let us know in the comments section. See you next time!